You want to study for masters or PG from Mumbai University and confuse कि apply कैसे करना है 2024 का admission process जो है it's completely new guys, so I'm gonna share all the detail with you in terms of कि official website कौन सी है, timeline क्या है और कैसे apply करना है. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome to Higher Education India. On this channel, we'll be sharing all the details about the higher education, especially all your PGs, masters, not only in Mumbai, but pan-India, how you can apply, how you can study, which are the best courses, what are the skill set that you need to earn after your graduation. All this information will be shared on this channel. So make sure guys that you subscribe for all the important information and updates. So guys, first I'll show you the important notice for all the PG candidates. So as you can see on my screen, this is the official notice from Mumbai University. So there is this online application which started from 22nd and आप apply कर सकते हो 15 June तक. So that is the time period जब तक वो आपका form duration खुला है. And then your display of the provisional merit list will happen on 21st of June. Then online payment, and you know how you confirm your admissions and everything, 27th of June, and your second merit list will be on 2nd of July. So ये जो पूरा document है आपको follow करना important है guys, because these are the guidelines or the instructions given by Mumbai University. But if you're applying for the autonomous colleges, please follow the instruction given on their personal website also, because that is again important. वो अपना खुद का entrance ले रहे हैं. There are certain colleges like मिठी बाई, उसके लिए मैंने अलग से वीडियो बनाया है जो आप जाके देख लीजिए. सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक एडमिशन इन द स्पेसिफिक कॉलेजेस, उनकी वेबसाइट चेक करना फॉर पीजी एंड एमएससी एंड मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम इज really important with Mumbai University. So in this video, I'm just talking about how you will apply on Mumbai University portal. After this instruction, let's move on to their official website. So guys, the official website is muadmission.samarth.edu.in. You have to go on this website. As you can see, admission PG 2024-25 is open. You can go and register yourself. So the first step is to register yourself and then fill your profile details. I think that's basic. Your registration number will be created. As you can see on my screen, 17290 is our dummy registration number that we have done for our students. Now what you have to do is, now whatever program that you want to apply, you will go on select program. Now once you go on select program, you will see integrated program, masters, post graduation, then post graduation diploma, even the PGD you can apply from here. So if I click on masters for example, and I want to do, as we selected, for masters of arts, okay, I'll go for a specific program that for example I want to go for FTNMP, right? So what I'll have to do is, यहाँ पे जाके मुझे नीचे जाके I have to check like you know where is my program. So you have to just take care of all these things कि आपको जो select करना है. See this, I've selected autonomous college and film television. What I can see, there is first preference. यहाँ पे आपको college select करना है. I can see only KES college as of now. So if you don't want this college, the option again, you go here. And as you can see, mass communication, film, television, I have non-autonomous. If I go on non-autonomous, I can see there is only Devi Prasad Goenka Management College. So this is how you will select. Guys, any college that is affiliated or under Mumbai University, we have to go and select the program. Any program that you want to do in, you know, Hindi, Gujarati, anything like this same MSc अगर आपको select करना है, तो आप यहाँ ही नहीं जाओगे. There is, as you can see, in science. For example, if I take MSc technology, mathematics है, microbiology है. So you know it is very important for us to see microbiology is offered only by autonomous college. So as you can see, there is only one college that is offering this program. तो ये इस तरीके से आपको अपना पूरा process करना है. If I go on PGD and select what all are the PGD that is offered. So if I see there is, these are the only programs that is there. And if I want to, for example, go for a, say, diploma in dietetics and applied nutrition, again I'll get the college that is affiliated. तो यहाँ से ही मेरे पास option है. Now department of university अगर आप apply करना चाहते हो तो, okay, I'll show you first. Okay, I'll show you the department first. Now for example, if you are going for, say, Master of Arts African Studies, I'm just, you know, taking this thing. I mean, so that Center for, कहीं पे भी आपको अगर Center for African Studies, जैसे Center for पर्टिकुलर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर अगर दिखेगा, so that is Mumbai University, for example. Now MA Psychology Counseling, this is most in demand. So you can see यहाँ पे BA Psychology is your eligibility. They have clearly mentioned. You have to proceed that. Then after that you are like okay, MA Psychology Counseling यहाँ पे आपका submit आ जाएगा. And then the program is here. As you can see, state is not paid, application submitted. I have MA में मैंने किया था और psychology किया था. Submit application पे अगर हम जाएंगे, so again, next, see, there are a lot of glitches also in this university particularly. There's a news also which is out that students are facing a lot of glitch. So you can apply on this portal and then visit the individual college website to do your complete process. As I'll be showing you few of the specific programs जो आपको apply करना है, which is best in Mumbai or Mumbai University. I'll keep you updated with that. But as of now, if you are applying for PGD or Masters in Mumbai University, this is the process. It is similar for your MSc, MCom. You want to do your MA, तो सारे के लिए आपको ये process follow करना है. थोड़े से glitches हैं. There are updates that are still happening. So if there is any concerns that you have to either visit Mumbai University और individual college website पे जाके उनके number पे आप call करोगे तो वो ज़्यादा helpful रहेगा. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos coming in for all the masters courses in India.